Hi everyone, welcome to MR Learning Circle. I hope everyone is fit and fine and doing good in their lives. So this is the 12th lecture of our MCQ series, and in this lecture we are going to start the microbial growth, and this is the part 1. And I hope you have watched all the previous video. If not, then please go and watch it. The playlist is given above here, and please go get your book. You can get the link for buying your book in the description box, and if you want to get your copy, then you can just go through the link, and for any more details go follow the Telegram channel and you will find the link as well as any other details related to your examination there. So now let's start. So the first topic that we are going to cover is definition of growth. So question number 1, in microbiology the term growth specifically refers to, your options are A, increase in cell size of individual microorganism, B, increase in number of cells or population biomass, C, synthesis of new DNA molecules only, D, accumulation of nutrients inside the cell. So the correct answer for this question is option B, increase in the number of cells or population biomass. Now question number 2. Which of the following best describes the pattern of growth in bacterial population under ideal conditions? Your options are A, linear growth, B, arithmetic growth, C, exponential growth, and D, static growth. Correct answer for this question is option C, exponential growth. Next question. Question number 3. The increase in turbidity of a liquid bacterial culture during incubation primarily reflects. Options are A, an increase in cell size, B, an increase in number of viable cells, C, a decrease in cell mass, D, lysis of the bacterial cell. Correct answer for this question is option B, an increase in number of viable cells. Question number 4. During microbial growth, the lag phase represents. Options are A, maximum rate of cell division, B, period of cell adaptation before division, C, phase of exponential death, D, phase of nutrient exhaustion. So the correct answer for this question is option B, period of cell adaptation before division. Question 5. During which phase of bacterial growth is the culture most sensitive to antibiotics that target cell wall synthesis? Okay. Your options are A, lag phase, B, exponential or log phase, C, stationary phase, D, death phase. Correct answer for this question is option B, exponential or log phase. Question number 6. In a batch culture, microbial growth stops during stationary phase primarily because options are A, temperature decreases, B, oxygen increases, C, nutrients are depleted and toxic metabolites accumulate, D, cell size decreases. So the correct answer for this question is option C, nutrients are depleted and toxic metabolites accumulate. Question 7. Which of the following parameters do not directly indicate microbial growth? Options are A, dry weight, B, optical density, C, DNA or protein content, D, pH of the medium. So the correct answer for this question is option D, pH of the medium. Question 8. A chemostat is used to A, allow uncontrolled growth of microorganism, B, maintain a microbial culture in a exponential phase continuously, C, measure growth during death phase, D, produce endospores in culture. So the correct answer for this question is B, maintain a microbial culture in exponential phase continuously. Question 9. Which of the following statements regarding microbial growth is incorrect? Your options are A, growth is synonymous with reproduction in unicellular organism, B, during exponential phase all cell divide synchronously, C, growth involves an increase in both cell mass and number, D, growth rate is affected by temperature, pH, and nutrient availability. So the correct answer for this question is option B. During exponential phase, all cells divide synchronously. Now question number 10. Which measurement method distinguishes between viable and non-viable cells in a growing culture, bacterial culture? Options are A. Turbidity, B. Dry weight determination, C. Viable plate count method, D. Chemical oxygen demand. So the correct answer for this question is option C. Viable plate count method. Okay, so next topic is growth curve. So question 1, the typical bacterial growth curve in a batch culture consists of. Options are A. 2 phases, B. 3 phases, C. 4 phases, D. 5 phases. So the correct answer for this question is option C. 4 phases. Now question 2, during the lag phase of growth, what happens? Option A is cells are metabolically inactive, B. cells adapt to new environment and synthesize enzymes, C. cell divide at maximum rate, D. cells die exponentially. So the correct answer for this question is option B. cells adapt to new environment and synthesize enzymes. Question 3. The log or exponential phase of growth is characterized by. Options are A. constant rate of cell death, B. balanced growth with maximum cell division rate, C. sporulation and dormancy, D. exhaustion of nutrients. So the correct answer for this question is option B. balanced growth with maximum cell division rate. Question 4. The generation time G is shortest during which phase? Options are A. lag phase, B. exponential or log phase, C. stationary phase, D. death phase. So the correct answer for this question is option B. exponential or log phase. Question 5. In a stationary phase, the bacterial population remains constant because. Options are A. cell division stops completely, B. rate of cell divisions equals rate of cell death, C. cell becomes dormant spores, D. cells lose flagella. So the correct answer for this question is option B. rate of cell division equals rate of cell death. Now question 6. During which phase of bacterial growth are secondary metabolites such as antibiotics most likely to be produced? Your options are A. lag phase, B. exponential phase, C. stationary phase, D. death phase. So the correct answer for this question is option C. stationary phase. Question number 7. The death or decline phase differs from the log phase because A. nutrients are in excess in death phase, B. cell lysis exceeds cell division rate, C. pH becomes more favorable, D. cells synthesize new enzyme. So the correct answer for this question is option B. cell lysis exceeds cell division rate. Question 8. Which of the following statements about the growth curve is incorrect? Options are A. the lag phase duration depends on inoculum history, B. log phase shows constant specific growth rate, C. stationary phase is characterized by balanced growth, D. death phase may show a slower decline due to resistant subpopulation. So the correct answer for this question is option C. stationary phase is characterized by balanced growth. Question 9. In a batch culture, the slope of log phase in a semi-log plot of cell number versus time gives. Your options are A. growth yield coefficient, B. specific growth rate, C. generation time, D. dilution rate. So the correct answer for this question is option B. specific growth rate. Now, question number 10. In bacterial batch culture, which of the following factors does not directly affect the duration of the lag phase? Your options are A. Inoculum size, B. Nutrient composition of the medium, C. Temperature of the incubation, D. Optical density measurement method. So the correct answer for this question is option D. Optical density measurement method. So that was all for this lecture. I hope you have learned something from this lecture. If yes, then please like the video, do comment down below and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubt, please mention it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Keep studying.